came out, took some pictures, did a report. The property was sold, and now construction has begun. And that's exactly what the city wants. They want to eliminate vacant properties in the city and spur economic growth. Reporting in Northwest D.C., I'm Sam Sweeney, ABC 7 News.
All right, and we're taking a live look outside right now, Dulles International Airport, and we are watching the plane carrying Bebe take off. This is the moment he is leaving the U.S. This is a direct flight to China, and it's actually a very long flight, but he is not alone. He has a lot of people there on the plane with him, making sure that he's very comfortable for the flight. And most importantly, Steve, he has a lot to snack on. 66 pounds of bamboo, and I think some other goodies and treats as well.
And a couple of pounds of pears and apples. So nice snack to have. And you got to wonder, I mean, I remember my first time on an airplane and taking off, and I mean, not that you can get in the mind of a panda, but you sort of wonder, what's Bebe thinking right now?
He's either not hungry at all or really hungry, probably.
So safe travels, and there the FedEx plane goes. It's about a 16.5-hour flight and a long flight. So
yes, it's
hard
quite
to believe
an
it's been
exciting
4
day.
years since he was born, and now out of here. But we still have 2 more pandas that are here. So it doesn't mean that our zoo is pandaless. So keep going. National Zoo is one of the great zoos in the country, and a great friend to the pandas and of course to China, because they've had the pandas for a long time. Actually, we've had several pairs at this point.
Yeah. So
all right.
Very nice there. And you know what? I'm noticing clear skies.
Yeah,
pretty clear. I know there was some fog this morning.
There was some fog this morning, but depending on how you look at it, I think this angle it looks like it's blue sky.
I was going to say, it looks like a blue sky from this angle.
But still, we do have some clouds.
But you're looking all around.
Yeah, so we do have some clouds that are out there, but the visibility compared to earlier this morning is a lot better. It was really soupy this morning, and it was on the mild side. I'll show you the 24-hour temperature change in just a moment. Looking toward Roslyn right now, and the Lincoln Memorial fall color change is still underway, but now at this point, we're past peak. Here's Skylab 7 showing the fog from our Watergate camera, along with the clouds starting to push on out, and high pressure will briefly build across the mid-Atlantic, and now we just have high clouds that are out there right now, giving us sort of that milky look that we just saw right now over at Dulles International Airport. Here's our satellite and radar from Stormwatch 7, and clouds are with us. They're going to break just a little bit, so if you're going out for lunch, grab the sunglasses, a light jacket. Temperatures have already hit that 50-degree mark at Reagan National, 52 in Upper Marlboro, now in the upper 40s. Fredericksburg, the same for Culpeper, 50 degrees over in Petersburg. Now, compared to yesterday at this time, probably saying to yourself, if you've been outside, it feels a lot better. It's not as breezy, it's not as cold, about a 7 to 10 degrees temperature shift, so we'll welcome that. Out to lunch forecast, temperatures will be in the lower 50s. We will see more clouds than sun, but we will also see a little bit of sun. Like I said, enough that you'll need your sunglasses. Depending on where you are, this is over in Germantown, and 270 north and southbound. You can see shadows out there, so a little bit of sunshine with temperatures for the evening rush hour commute falling from the lower 50s into the upper 40s as we move toward the 8 o'clock hour. Now, we do stay dry for the overnight, dry early tomorrow morning. A chilly start to your Wednesday, already going to be halfway through the work and school week. Upper 30s in Warrenton tomorrow, will be in the middle 40s for Alexandria, the district, and Arlington. And then temperatures are going to warm up nicely as we head through tomorrow afternoon. Still a little bit below average off toward the west of us, upper 40s, Berkeley Springs and Charlestown. D.C. metro area, daytime highs around 53 to 55 degrees. Average high for this time of year stands at 57. Southern Maryland, a good amount of sunshine. However, I think clouds are still going to be there with temperatures that'll be in the lower 50s, Charlotte Hall and Dahlgren. And south and west of town tomorrow, looking at temperatures around 52 to 55 degrees. Here's a look at your 7-day outlook from Stormwatch 7. A breezy day tomorrow. So even though we have highs that will be in the lower 50s, it's going to feel a little bit cooler than that. Middle 50s on Thursday. As we head into the day on Friday, we're at around 61 degrees with a chance for a few showers. Don't forget, the Montgomery County Parade, Silver Spring, our own Brian Vandergraff and Julie Wright will be the MCs. We have a chance for a few showers, so make sure you have your rain gear ready to go. Temperatures will be in the upper 40s, near 50 on Sunday, and around 54 on Monday. Don't forget to download your Stormwatch 7 weather app. Stay ahead of the next wet weather maker.
After a car accident, you need help right away.
Every day you wait, you could be hurting your chances at a fair settlement.
Call 1-800-LAWYERS and you can have a lawyer in just 60 minutes or less.
When you need a lawyer, you have a lawyer.
With the Science and Kirk e-sign program, you can get started from anywhere. Days, nights, weekends, 24/7.
When you need a lawyer, you have a lawyer in 60 minutes or less.
Now that's fast.
Call 1-800-LAWYERS or visit youhavealawyer.com. If you have a phone, you have a lawyer.
Fast, accurate local weather updates on ABC 7's Good Morning Washington.
When was the last time you inspected your roof? If you see damaged shingles, be sure to call Arch Exteriors. Get a new high-performance integrity roofing system in time for colder weather. Act now. Get the jump on winter with half-off labor. 0% interest for 12 months. Plus, double your bonus to a $200